everyone. Good morning. How are you? I am also very good. Thank you. So now we are going to do another activity on the theme animals. Okay. I know your favorite animals. You have told me already. Now I am going to give you one paper each. Okay. I give you one paper each and I will give you some crayons. I want you to draw any one animal of your choice. Any animal. It can be your favorite animal. It can be a pet that you have at home or any animal. Okay? Very good. So, X, this is your paper. Y, this is your paper. Z, this is your paper. Okay, I'll give you some crayons. Okay, very good. Here, X, Y, these are for you and Z, these are for you. Okay, very good. Now please draw any animal of your choice. Okay, it can be an animal that lives in the forest, any animal that lives in your home, or any animal that lives in the water. You can also draw any aquatic animal. Okay, a fish or a dolphin, whatever you like. What are you drawing? X. You're drawing a fish. That is very nice. Fish lives in the water. What do fishes eat? Fish eat fish. Very good. Why? What are you drawing? You're drawing a lion. That is very nice. Okay, where does the lion live? It lives in the jungle. Yes, very nice. Z. What are you drawing? You're drawing an elephant. Okay, that is very nice. Where does an elephant live? It lives in the forest. Very good. Very nice, X. Very nice. That is a very, very pretty fish. Oh, that's a very, very dangerous, very scary lion. Very good, guy. Very good, Z. That's a very nice elephant. Yes, why? You can use orange color for a lion. Very good, X. You can use the blue color for fishes. Very nice. Very pretty, Z. Very nice. Beautiful animals. Yes, beautiful animals. Do you have pets at home? Okay, very good. We all love animals. Very nice. Very nice. Very pretty. Very good. Beautiful fish. It's a very big lion. Very big lion. Very nice elephant. Very good. Very good. Okay, you have drawn beautiful animals. Thank you so much. Very good job, your hands. Very nice.